Imagine discovering a computer from 2,000 years ago. In 1901, divers exploring a shipwreck found a corroded lump of bronze. Inside, it was something unbelievable: the Antikythera Mechanism, a complex system of gears designed to predict eclipses, track planets, and map the stars. Nothing this advanced appeared again for over 1,000 years. How did ancient Greece build something so sophisticated? What knowledge have we lost? And how many more inventions disappeared with time? History might be more advanced than we think.